Hi guys, my name is Cedric from Belgium. Welcome to the screencast of Project0 search for the CS50's class web programming with Python and JavaScript. So for starters, I'll show you guys the three main pages of this website. Here you can see the home page or the index.html. On the top right hand, we have the advanced search page right here. And we have the button to go back to the home page, and then we have the image search page, which is right here, and again a button to go back to the Google search page. If we're gonna search on the Google search page, we're gonna search for David Mellon, for example. We're gonna click on Google search, and it takes us to the Google page with the query of David Mellon. Let's go back. As you can see, I adapted the CSS and the appearance to have it like the current Google web page. For image search, let's do the same. Let's see if we can find a picture for David Mellon. And indeed, we can, as you can see here, our beloved professor. Go back to the Google search or the image page right here. Then on to the advanced search. So I'll go back to the home page, go to the advanced search page. As you can see, in the advanced search page, we have the four options, which are all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words or none of these words, as is with parts of the advanced search page on Google as well. Let's see we want to search for David Mellon. We want to have CS50 web. We want to have Harvard, but we don't want Scratch, which is Project0 of CS50’s. Let's see if we go for advanced search, and as you can see, you can find all the search queries right here as is within the assignment. Let's go back to the page, as you can see here. Let's go back to the home page. We also have the I'm feeling lucky button. Let's go back for David Mellon. I'm feeling lucky. As you can see, we have the security page for the redirect notice. We'll just go ahead and go to this page, and we land on the CS Harvard page of David Mellon. All right, let's go back to my home page. Voila. This was my small presentation of Search 0. Thanks for watching, and on to the next one.